Hello everyone, myself Tejaswini Sandeep Korad from Pune. I have completed electrical engineering in Universal College of Engineering and Research. So today's Viva topic is why Java is known as platform independent programming language. So basically Java is a high level programming language. So also Java is known as a object oriented programming language. So Java is known as a platform independent programming language because we write the program to any platform and to run anywhere of the platform. So it is known as the platform independent programming language. So any program run write the Java language, so this program can be run anywhere of the platform or any platform without rewrite this program. So is known as the Java is a platform independent programming language. So this Java is a platform independent programming language is mainly used in a bytecode. The bytecode is a code that converted into the machine code with the help of JVM. In that the bytecode, the any source code can be converted into bytecode with the help of compiler. That means the bytecode is converted into the machine code with the help of JVM. In that the JVM stands for the Java Virtual Machine. In that the JVM is also used the just in time. In that the program we can run at any platform, also they run at the anywhere of this platform with the help of this bytecode. These are the machine bytecode is converted into the machine code. In that the machine code we are included in the number of instructions in that. So in that the open and close curly bracket. So in the any program write the programmer is known as the source code. This source code is converted into the machine bytecode. These are with the help of compiler. This bytecode source code is converted into the bytecode. These are the bytecode is converted into the machine code with the help of JVM. JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. In that the JVM, the any program or any source code can be converted into the machine code. So in that the any programmer run at the any platform, so it convert or it run at the anywhere of the platform without using the program rewrite the program. So Java it is the also known as the platform independent programming language, but Java is not a completely platform independent language because the Java is run without help of any data. Means the many data types are mainly used to program in Java language, basically primitive data types or non-primitive data types. In that the primitive data types we are used the integer, float, characters, double. These are the data types are mainly used in a program to run this Java program. So Java it is not completely independent programming language. So but the Java it is the platform independent programming language because they are run any platform without rewrite the program. Thank you.